Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you what an Indian auto rickshaw is and how to drive it. Here we go, our auto rickshaw Ricky. This is a Bajaj 3 model from 2004, 150cc, 4 seats capacity. It's actually more comfortable with 3 people, but around India you can find some even with 10 people or more. It runs by petrol with a fuel capacity of 6 to 7 liters. Let me show you the control panel. Control panel is actually very limited in this model. Here with the key you turn it on, you have the signals here, you have the speed. I said actually speed is 50 to 60 kilometers per hour maximum, it really doesn't go that fast. Here is what you use for the rain, you have the lights here, and also the horn. You also have an additional horn. This is what actually generally in India taxi use to basically call people for a potential ride. But we have it just for fun. We actually refurbish with more comfy seats. At the bottom of this seat, the driver's seat, we have also some extra space, and also on the back of the back seat, extra space there for our luggage. Whenever we start a new ride, we always need to check if there is enough petrol. The control panel here, there is nothing showing us the level of the petrol. It's also advisable to have an extra can of petrol in your auto rickshaw in case you run out of it. You go to the back of the auto rickshaw, open it, you put it in, you check. In this case we have about 3 liters, so half a tank. To fill it up, you need to insert petrol mixed with oil. You won't find the mixed petrol of oil already at the petrol station, so you need to mix it yourself. For every liter of petrol, you need 50 milliliters of oil, so basically 5%. Would you come for a ride? Let's go. To drive auto rickshaw, you have the gears on the left hand. You have 4 gears in total. You need to start with neutral, and then you go up and you turn to the first gear, and then you go down and you go to second, third and fourth gear. So it's very, very simple. So to start your auto rickshaw, you insert the key here, you turn it on. You need to make sure is in neutral gear. Here you have the brake. So first of all, because you are in neutral, you need to make sure you activate the brake, and then you turn it on. So now we switch to the first gear, so we turn this up, this is the clutch, obviously you use the clutch, and then you turn up, and we go to first gear, and we slowly release. There we go. Now first cross, we go left. Accelerate, then we go down, and we go to switch to second gear. And so on and so forth. Down again and third gear. When you pass other vehicles, you need to honk your horn. This is to let them know. It can be scary a little bit the first time you drive on Indian roads, because you hear a lot of honking. You feel a bit of pressure perhaps, but over time you get used to it. Turning. So we have indicators to turn. But when it gets very busy, especially in big cities, it's also advisable to use your heart. In another junction, many people coming actually. Actually go. It's not advisable to just wait for a space to go, because you can stay there forever when it's very busy. So the trick is just to get going and get into the flow of the people going on your lane. You now have all the basics on how to drive an auto rickshaw on Indian roads, so give it a try. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment sections below. Give us a like, and also follow our channel. Every week we publish a new video on our adventures on Indian roads.